So that is the entrance to my house, and this is a window that opens to the corridor, and that's where I placed the cat tree because my cat love watching people going around in that corridor. So that's why that there I placed the cat tree. And this is the entrance, and near the entrance I have the shoe rack there, and my gym bag and my office bag, and here all my musical inspiration, some of my musical inspiration, that's not all, definitely. And that sticker you see, that blue color, that is actually wall sticker, which completely is my idea. Also, this blue color here, entire uh, like the interior is designed by me. This house was completely unfurnished when I came here. And this is my study area, my most favorite place, one of my most favorite place here inside my house. And because I am an atheist, to me these people are my god. I take my morality from these people, from their life, from their writings. Mostly they are scientist or writer. I think only Freddie there is the singer, but he is also a writer. He used to write his own song. Yeah. So this is my study area. Home office. This is my home office. Also, I have this mirror here. Among all my heroes, can you guess why I have placed this mirror here? Because someday, hopefully, someday, I'll be in some kid's wall like this. I belong to them, to remind myself that I belong to these people. I belong to this group of people, and this is my tribe. This is my cult. That's why I have kept that mirror there, to see myself in their shoes, and hope someday some kid will place me in their wall like that also. Hopefully. Yeah. So that's the reason I have kept that mirror there. Yeah. And this is Richard Feynman. He's like the king of all my gods. Yeah. Okay. Now let's have a look at the living area. So it's kind of combined, there is no separate study, so I made my study area in the living area only. So this is the couch, and that is Tickly's area. That's a cat tree, and some more hiding place for Tickly. And this is the couch, and that right there is a wall hanging, applique art from Odisha. Again, please note that I'm not religious, I'm atheist, but those three hangings, art, or just because of the art that belongs to my land, I have kept the pictures of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. And no matter how much I go far or how I became an atheist, those folklore, those stories will always remain a part of me. For me, they are not religion that I follow, but they are stories that is related to me. So I will always carry that with me. That art, the story of Lord Jagannath, it will go with me. Yeah. And these two are paintings by my sister. That's Odissi dance, classical dance of Odisha, and that's Tikli. So basically, I am a Odissi dancer, so I have forgotten, but I used to be. And that's my team. It's a team picture of my colleague from Mercedes-Benz, and those two are pictures I received in one of the event in Bangalore. It's about Bangalore, history of Bangalore. It's related to some history of Bangalore. So I received it while attending an event, a kind of a food festival. So I framed it. So it's just a random mirror again. And this is some art. I don't know, I found it in my office. Somebody abandoned it. I liked it, so I kept it. It looks like Garuda. Now, this is my dining area, and that opens up to the balcony, the big balcony. And I do have a little table over there in the balcony. Let's go to my parents' bedroom. But before that, this is just an area for open storage, and my cat's water fountain is there. And basically, some random storage items are kept here. Those are balcony chairs or extra chairs for dining, and then that is for watering, and my yoga mat and everything. And this little thing is also my idea. I pasted the stickers in a way that looks like window, shapes of window, minimalistic shapes of window, Indian windows. Yeah. And yeah, this beyond the living area, the left side is my parents' bedroom. Let's go there. But here I'll show you these two photos that I framed. This is clicked by one of my friend that I met during my surfing trip, Shreyas. He's a great photographer. So these are two frogs, beautiful frogs. By the way, I kept those frogs right in front of my common bathroom because frogs like swampy areas. And here is my parents' bedroom. Yeah, they are religious, so I respect that, and that's why I have this corner for them to pray. And this is a window, and I'll show you the whole room. Yeah, that's again a photograph by Shreyas that I framed. And this is the bed, all IKEA. And that is again a photograph, not a photograph, it's a painting by my sister. And that's the mirror, and that's their wardrobe, and that's a storage for my bedsheet and all. Now let's head to the kitchen. Okay, this is a small cafe area. I always wanted a cafe area in my house because I love the cafe vibe. This also helps charging your phone there. This is my kitchen. The kitchen is actually quite small, but I like it. I removed all the sticker from the I actually pasted the stickers on the kitchen because earlier it used to have some tiles, and I didn't like the tile work, the painting on the tiles, so that's why I pasted those black and white sticker. Those are not tiles, by the way, so I'll show you a good look. Yeah, so that's my kitchen. Again, this is completely designed by me. Those are from IKEA. I love hanging those hanging things, so that's why I placed it there. Yeah, and that's the utility area. It's a small balcony again. Nice view. I have the washing machine here, and look at my cat. She just went there, and this is where I hang my uh, kitchen. What do you say? This apron and the dustpan and all. These are like few kitchen things, dustbin, and this is the refrigerator, water. Okay, I'm running out of time. I'll show you more. So this is my bedroom. That's the bathroom. That's another balcony. Yeah, I do have 3 balconies, and I have plants here as well. Beautiful plants. Yeah, but I kept the net here so it's not visible properly. This is for my kids, my cat's safety. So this is the bedroom. Yeah. It's again a beautiful bedroom. Yeah, and that's a picture again, a photograph again from my friend Shreyas. That's my wardrobe and a little table, again some storage, and this is my clothes stand. Yeah, that's all. Bye bye.